What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. I'm at my Migos spot. They do tires and rims and all that good nice stuff. I got a deal on some tires for my lacrosse. So here now, putting new tires on the lacrosse, about to get ready to do a little networking with them. I love networking with small businesses, especially those that, you know, regardless of what we look like, we different races or whatnot, that's not an issue. It's all about, I spend my money with you, you spend your money with me. You know what I mean? We network with one another. And I think we get further when we do that, you know, than not networking with our, with our people, you know what I mean? So anybody that got small business, man, the way I look at it, we need to keep our money in our own circle, you know what I mean? So that's what I try to do personally, you know. So that's what I'm doing now, man, networking with the small business people. You know, making things happen, man. I think that's what we have to do. We have to just network, and you never know, man. You never know the deals and the money you save, man. Like, you won't believe, like, the deal I saved on these tires. And they some good ones, some Michelins, you know what I mean? So, you know, it's all about networking, man. I don't believe in paying full price for nothing. That's for real. I'm gonna figure out a way to get the best deal possible and make sure that it fits my need. Like, I don't mind paying for what I want, don't get me wrong. You gotta pay for what you want. But you wanna make sure you're getting the best deal. Ain't no reason to go broke, you know, to do something that you're gonna have to do again, you know, keeping up certain repairs, certain parts, you know, you wanna buy something good and that way it'll last longer, you know what I mean? So that's the goal, man. Network with your small businesses. Black Phoenix.